Guys, it's SoFi. Okay, no one's on. What? Oh yeah, Tesla. Okay. Hmm. Interesting. Do I care about this? I don't think so. There's a lot of volume though. October 14th. Good morning. There's a couple bangers out there today. There's Actually, I don't know how much I like. This is China Biotech. It's coffee. I drink tea later in the day. My first cup is usually coffee. I think EVs might be back. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. But QS and Tesla, this is what I'm looking at mostly. Why is quantumscape, what do they like about it? LC, this one's a little thin. I don't know if I'm gonna trade this one. But quantumscape and Tesla look really good if they can get past. Well, this needs the sixth level. Dude, everyone, I assume a lot of people got shaken out of things yesterday, which is just things were looking pretty dicey, I know, but like, yeah, it's if you trust your charts, there's no reason to. If like, there's no reason to get shaken out of everything. I was talking about this on stream too. Like days like yesterday when I was more inexperienced, I would take a short because I was thinking about shorting Soxel on lows, like here. Yeah, that's good. You shouldn't have gotten shaken out. See, but I was thinking about shorting Soxel here, which would have been a good short, but I would have gotten squeezed out today, or I would have closed on the open because it lost to 20, they but reclaimed. And the other thing is Nvidia doing this potential double top, right? So Nvidia failed this. I don't like to call this a breakup, but this break into all-time highs here. Even though it already closed at all-time highs here. Anyway, so this is like, okay, maybe it's a double top in semis. And semis were losing the 20, so you could have shorted this. But in the past, what I would have done is I would have sold all my longs and gone short, like a retard. Don't do that. I didn't short semis this time, but that's how you do it. I just waited. I just watched my account go down like 4% and then go right back up. And look, I'm gonna be rewarded for it, hopefully. Held Joby too. I was thinking about adding down at 6, but I couldn't bring myself to do it. And it's okay. I don't think I needed to. I'm gonna be well, Tesla and QS, probably the focus today. Don't know how I'm gonna play it yet. Maybe take someone open, maybe, but probably not. Probably wait. What is everything else doing? Oh, this is really good actually. I like yesterday's price action. Yesterday's price action, I didn't go on the Kulamagi Discord, but I assume a lot of people are shaken out. So that makes me happy, you know. I can demote some things, hopefully. I don't think that this hymns needs more time. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. Yeah, Carvana is my largest position, but then second largest is Joby now. Did you guys is SoFi? What kind of news did SoFi get? This definitely got news, right? This so like what the fuck? I'm trying to find it. Oh, it's probably the Lending Club. It's probably the Lending Club earnings. This is probably it. Yeah. What else is getting? Is anything else taking gapping on this? SoFi gapping on Lending Club earnings. Rocket. Any of the lenders making news? Tree. Yeah, they're all gapping, but SoFi is getting the most. Am I gonna hold Carvana through earnings? When is earnings? It is next Wednesday. Oh God, really? Yeah, I mean, we'll see how much I'm up. If Carbonite violates yesterday lows, I'm gonna probably cut in half, honestly, because that's a sign that it might fail the breakout. It's like doji after the breakout. But it's there's no reason to sell it entirely. I'm probably gonna try to hold half or 2/3 through earnings then. What has been the pattern? Carvana is I didn't do anything with Oklo. Oklo held the oh, it did close below this 18 level, but I just held it because I was regretting not selling that much into this push. I'd only sold a tiny bit into the highs in this area, but it held this 1750 level, so yeah. I still have 18% of my account in Oklo, so it's planning on just letting it ride. And yeah, I was gonna cut some after it lost these hourly EMAs, but I changed my mind. AKA wasn't at my desk. Everyone's probably shaken out of this now. Lunar probably shook out a lot of scrubs. The scrubs got to be shaken out. It's a good thing. Yeah, what is this lending club? Why do they like it so much? Exactly. Big beat. Okay. I'll just use this as the SoFi news then. It's not gapping that much, 4%. Okay, let's mark some levels. Okay, this is kind of unfortunate because, it already hit this level pre-market. I don't like that. Look, this stock is such a piece of shit, but you guys know what this is, right? Hopefully by now you should know why I like this stock. Yeah, it's also just it's just that kind of stock. It can move. Solid state batteries, right? A future tech. Just like the same reason I like Joby, a future tech. Was Toyota reacting to this? Probably not. That's fine. Rivian. What a piece of fucking shit. Lucid. Oh god, what a turd, dude. I wonder if my friend is still my old coworker, not exactly a friend, but he bought Lucid when it was still CCIV, like here. Maybe it was like 11th. I wonder if he's still bag holding this. I bet you he is. There you are. I don't really like that stock. I don't like the way it trends, but it's strong. I know what it looks like. I mean, it's not really. I don't know, man. You're on your own here. Actually, it's not that thin dollar volume wise. It's just I don't really like the way this trends. All right, all right, all right. Let's see. Let's see. But yeah, if you know what AUR does, they do self-driving, right? Self-driving software. I'm pretty sure that's what they do. Which is good. It's a good thing to. Okay, fucking. Do I have to buy this? I'll buy a little bit. We'll just buy a taste. Just a taste, dude. Just a taste. Is it gonna reject there though? That's what I'm wondering. It's okay, whatever. It's fine. Here we go. What the fuck, guys? What's the volume like? 38, okay. Do I buy more? Do I double my position? I should, I'll wait, I'll wait, I'll wait, I'll wait, I'll wait. That was fast. Oh god. Oh man, I should wait to double. I think I might reject here. Yeah, okay. 5 cent spread? Are you kidding me, dude? Oh. Oh my god, I kinda. Why is this acting like this? Alright, double my position. Let's go. I think I'm gonna use $6 as a stop for FYI. I'm gonna put a hard stop on this time. Or actually, is there another place that makes more sense than 6 for pre-market? Not really. It's like all the way down here. I'll just use $6. Tesla, do I have to buy this yet though? Um, um, do I buy Tesla? I think I can wait. I think we can wait for Tesla. I don't want to. Can we? I'll wait like 30. I'll wait 30 minutes. Okay, please just don't. No more of this ticker spam shit, guys. You guys can do better. Oh, Joby, really? Are you fucking me here? If you have a cash account, I have margin, so it doesn't matter for me. Just buy more Tesla. I looked at the margin requirements. It's almost exactly one and two, so it really doesn't matter for me. I'd rather just buy Tesla, but I'm not buying it yet. If you have a cash account, sure, buy Tesla, buy the ETF. I'd rather if because it doesn't matter, I'd rather have this, so I can just chart it easier. Okay, Joby, do I have to fuck myself on this? Got it. All right. This is the person who just posted this ticker, but this is just some shitco. I don't think I'm gonna trade this, right? Like, what was 2 million float? 30 now. No PR, right? But it's going, I guess. You guys, like, do you guys understand that I don't really trade these, but you keep showing me them? Like, I'll trade them very rarely. It has to be something really special, though, and something that makes sense. Oh, it did get a PR? Really? Oh, nice. Pentagon, aka the world's largest polluter. You know, I don't think a certain act back in 2001 was justified, obviously, but the one that, you know, the Pentagon one, mm, maybe justified. Anyway, I hope I don't go to jail for saying that. Indeed, indeed I am. Indeed I am. They have arrested people for translating things. Oh God, I know. Yeah, but this is not ready yet, though. I don't think I should buy this today, though, either. It's not enough. We can wait. This Z Lab. Oh wow, this is thin though. LC, yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is the day for LC. I think I'm gonna pass just because it's kind of thin. Because I'm already in SoFi, so it doesn't really matter. And I got QS today, right? Like I'm chilling. Yeah, Hood is looking good. Oh, good. Joby didn't cuck. Okay, maybe. I don't have much Hood left. I only have 13% of my account in it now, but that's okay. Maybe I'll add, but I kind of feel like just letting it ride now. Same with like, yeah, I'm getting, I have 12 positions now, so I'm on a 100% margin. I feel like I should try to reduce some things, right? Oh no. Oh, okay. Actually, let's see if it violates these lows too. I'm still not entirely sure about this. I should probably try to keep it on a short leash. My average is what, 34? It's not bad. CLS? What is this? Celestica? Oh, I remember this stock. What does this do again? It do supply chain solutions. Okay, what does that mean though? Yeah, this is a strong one. Don't know why it... That's MSTR alert. I'm gonna put this in 2 for now. I haven't been, or I'll put it in 3. This is another stock that's strong, but I don't really like it. It's just a little, doesn't trend the way I want it to. Yeah, I assume so. I assume so. This should be no news. I'm trying to, I need to reduce some things, I think. I need to like, yeah. I'll wait till later this day, but in the day, but I think I can. I'm on too much margin right now. It just feels a little, I just don't like the way it feels. Oh, fucking Oklo, dude. Alright. Yeah, nuclear might be, might still need more time. These are setting up, though. But I think I will reduce on all the nuclear by end of day. I'll be right back. What was that alert in Tesla? I heard this. That's okay. I don't need it yet. Or do I? Do I want 13 fucking positions? I don't really. I can wait. Like, Tesla can wait. Okay. Okay. Relax. I have to get back to like 175% long, you know, at most. I don't like being 200% long, I think. Yes, everything is working out. Maybe I'll reduce some Instacart, but this looks good. I just have too much of it, I think. My third largest position. Oh my god, quantumscape. Yes, dude. Let's fucking go, guys. All right. Tesla keeps going. Yeah, I know. I know. Very nice. I reduced some CGVST for now. I think it's a good thing. BKTX alert, really? Hmm. Oh, at earnings. That's right. There's no need to rush into this. Wait for this level. I put like I put 7% of my account into it and then doubled it. It's just two ads. Average is 634 now. I might add a little bit more actually to get up to like 16% of account. Yeah, I'll add a little bit more. No, I'll wait. I'll wait till like. Oh wait. Oh, excuse me. I'll wait a second. So it's gotta like, you remember it's gotta clear these pre-market highs still. So, just fair warning. This is a level that people might be taking profits at, but the volume is so good. The volume is so good. Okay, I want to take a little bit off Instacart too. I'm just peeling some. I'm just peeling some profits, to reduce my margin exposure basically. It's nothing to be concerned about with this name. I just have too much margin, guys. You know? About Carvana, should I peel some yet? It just feels too soon. I'll wait. I'll wait for this one. You guys enjoying trading? This is a good market. It's not super easy. I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's good. Oh yeah, CLS, they do like complete life cycle solutions for their supply chain. Okay, I get it. I know what they do. Celestica. Do I have to buy Tesla? I keep asking this. No, 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 no. Tesla should set up below 265 too. If it keeps going, right? I'm hoping it just grinds higher and then sets up here. That would be ideal. What the fuck? No way, dude. How many hours? I don't know. It's a good question. Not as much as I used to, but enough that I know what's going on with everything, yeah. I mean, that's like the whole idea, right? Is that I just, like, what am I trying to say exactly? Like, uh, you should just know what's going on in the market. Look at charts enough that you know what's going on at any given time. I don't have like a photographic memory or anything. I wish I did. It's nice, dude. That's a pretty big fucking move. Yeah, it's like looking like see, like this is why like days like yesterday, like you just gotta understand that it's like if the trend is intact, there's no reason to sell things. And then days like today, there's banger ass setups, dude. And out of all of these gappers, which one was the best play? It was QS. QS breaking pre-market highs now. Yeah, let's see if it can hold it. But out of all these plays, you gotta like, do you guys understand why? I mean, I'm not always right, obviously, okay, but like, there's a reason I focus on this one. Oh, I love this name. This means I'm gonna be in a good mood for the girls coming over. I'm not gonna be pissy all day. Tesla's an EP, not a breakout. Yeah, Oklo's doing fine, dude. Exactly. Someone on chat said Oklo's over. I said I think I said like one thing in response. I should have berated him a little bit more. CGC meh. Weed is I don't know. I don't know about this one. Just don't know about the weed trade yet. Dude, this is like this environment we're in is you know, it's starting to get it's really heating up. Do I have to buy this? I know Dolman got shaken out of this, which makes me think it might actually go. I'll wait though. Sorry, Donovan. Yeah. Let's demote this one for now. Yeah, ARM also gets demoted. Palantir, I just don't want to buy it. I have too many positions. Oh God. Let's drop this one too. I'm not gonna trade this just realistically. There's no way. Put it in. Did Lumen do anything, by the way? Nope. Same with this. Realistically, I'm not gonna trade this. I don't think so. Yeah, this one well, actually, no, this one let's keep. Let's keep this. Do I have the best ones? Yeah, I do. These are the best ones that I haven't, well, that I'm not in yet. NNE is, yeah, this one sucks now. I mean, it could work. I just don't, I don't think I have the appetite for that right now. Like, I'm in so many names that are working. Why would I don't want to risk giving up something with slippage. That's a type of name that when someone liquidates, it's gonna slip the fuck out of me. I just know it. I'd rather, really? This is, dude. Okay. I really don't want to buy this today, but here it's this is still a place to buy, I think. Or is it? I think I can wait. I think I can wait. The hourly has good volume. 30-minute has good volume, but it's not the kind of explosive volume I like to see. I think I can wait. Yeah, it's just like as the chart is not really that clear to me personally. Is it really heading up that level? I'll promote it to two, actually. But for this one, I don't think you. I also don't think you need to rush into this. I think that Viking Therapeutics is until it proves that this 70 level is not resistance, right? I would avoid it. But if it, I mean, trade how you want. I'm just saying this level is resistance until proven otherwise. Dude, Rocket Lab, that's fucking insane. Yeah, I'll mark this on Rocket Lab too. Yeah, long live the resistance. Like the entire media class celebrating that they killed Yewa Sinwar. You guys realize that that man died fighting with like some of their soldiers on the front lines? Do you know any other leader in the world that would fight with their soldiers and die with them? Biden, Harris, Trump? They're all pussy ass bitches, dude. I think he wanted to. I think he wanted to choose his own death. I mean, I don't know. It's just like a romantic warrior type of thing, you know. But yeah, he was, and fucking the cowardly Israeli soldiers couldn't even fight them off. They called in an airstrike to kill him. Dude, did you guys see this fucking article that CNN ran? They were like, "Oh no, these poor Israeli soldiers are K-wording themselves. They're unaliving themselves because of all the trauma they faced." Like, good. If you're an IDF soldier, that's what you should do. You should unalive yourself. And you know what's fucked about that is like, do you know the whole reason the Nazis used gas chambers? The reason they switched from firing squads to gas chambers is because of the psychological toll on their soldiers. It's the same fucking shit. And this is where your tax dollars are going, my friend. To fund these psychopathic, like basically the Nazis of today. Anyway, I hope more Israeli soldiers unalive themselves. Do the world a fucking favor. God, I fucking hate CNN. Let's do an alert here. If this, I think these are gonna move. They've just been like they've just been digesting these gains. I don't know, man. It's a good question. It's a good question. I think I'm gonna take a little piece off though. I'm taking some off. Just a tiny piece again. Yeah, I took some off yesterday and today. It's fine. I reduced my position by a bit because I think at this stage we're gonna get some new setups too. And like I said, I want to get back down to like uh like what was I gonna say? Fucking 75% margin, something like that, right? 75% on margin. I don't want to be too much on margin. I mean, this could probably still set up, dude. It might just set up like in the about six. I don't know if there's a. Oh, interesting. Aklo is getting sold into these EMAs though. I don't like that as much, but it's not dead. I just need some time. Okay, I'm back down to 97% margin. Oh, it's still like I still want to reduce. This is if you're wondering, this is definitely not what a blow off top looks like in Rocket Lab. That's for sure. It's not a blow off top. Blow off top action looks very different. Like look at this on the hourly, right? It's just going higher. 2021, a lot of examples of blow off tops. Ooh, I got a new report from Hindenburg or Iceberg Research. This all right, they're hitting this thin ass company. Like I feel like this like Iceberg Hindenburg, it's just like it's got to be just one dude in his mom's basement, right? Because they don't have much money if they're trading these like $5 million volume shit, but they have so much like pull. Um, yes and no. Yeah, I do look at MDY sometimes, RSP, right? QQQE. The thing about IWM is Yeah, yeah, exactly. The flying taxi. The thing about IWM is primarily made of like KRE and right at XVI, so it's like a mixed bag. IWO, IWCA. Look at all of these to some degree, but mostly like if you see spec names moving, that's kind of what you're looking for, right? Are speculative names moving or not? What kind of names are pushing? What kind of EPs are going? Like this is really speculative. This company doesn't have a real product yet, I think, right? Solid state batteries are still pretty theoretical about whether or not they're practical. Eh, I mean, if all the indices start like looking bad, yeah, but right now they look fine. Um, not as important as SPY, I think, still. Because you saw what happened yesterday when the S&P 500 went below the 20-day. There's a lot of things that started selling off, right? And that doesn't mean we're in the clear just yet either. Yeah, I just don't know. Breadth is pretty important, right? Breadth fell pretty hard the last few days. What is HSI doing actually? Ooh, interesting. Now I'm interested. Now we watch. Generally, okay, I'll answer it like this. If things are looking dicey for like second day in a row, things are looking dicey. Like after a day like yesterday, let's say Tesla missed earnings bad and the market was gapping down, I would reduce significantly. Like if S&P, like if the S&P 500 was going to open like near the lows of yesterday, I would probably be reducing a lot. But it didn't, thankfully. Because the volume was actually it wasn't great yesterday either. Anyway, it's still selling off a bit. I don't love that. And Nvidia is very much in like you know, what's it gonna do type. The weekly doesn't look so great, does it? Volume, look at this average volume has been declining. It's into a double top, right? No, we could keep going, but I don't know. At the same time, leaders are making highs. So yeah, it's just I don't know. Oklo probably is going to violate these lows, but I'd expect buyers at the 10-day. Yeah, I agree about Viking. I agree. This is starting to look pretty good though. This is the other thing is like, yeah, I was talking about this yesterday. All these weeklies look so good. I just find a hard time believing that we are gonna top out soon. But but who knows? Anything is possible. Where's the best line here, guys? Where's the best line? Where should I draw it? Here? Or here? Or here? Let's go to daily. Yeah, it's a good spot to draw it. Yeah, I see that, but this one is more significant than that. Okay. Are we chilling? Are we chilling? I reduced these by quite a bit the last 2 days, today and yesterday, but I really want to hold these to the 20 day. I don't know if there's any more trade to take, bro. If you bought QS, that's the only trade that I think really mattered today. For like, people that trade liquid shit, not people who, if you trade shitcoins, you know. Who was the guy that mentioned that shitco again? And which one was it? It was fucking CCTG. It's like, can you guys not spam these tickers anymore? Like, please don't. Someone just typed this one ticker and that's all they did. It's just don't do that. Not for this shit. I don't like these names. You should know that by now. I don't trade this bullshit. I'm not gonna ban you. I'm just gonna ask you to stop doing it. Haha. Fucking LC, dude. This one. Z-Lab? Okay. Get owned. Yeah, this is yeah, maybe it finally goes. Did this get PR today? I don't know. Yeah, dude, when this stream gets 100 viewers, it's gonna be the top for sure. Dude. Oh, this is turning out to be quite a banger, I think. This is good. This is good. Fuck yeah, dude. Let's go. I didn't waste any buying power on Tesla. Riot? I feel the same way about all these miners. Wolf is the one I would focus on. This is going to set up, I think. Right, it's got a clear level that we can work off of. Let's go ahead and draw that. Um, you know, 10-day catch up. Like I want to see maybe one more tight day, break down, and then reclaim that range, right? Today, really? Oh, that's good. Okay. So offering and buyback. Wait, hold on. Private offering and buyback. Okay. Yeah, like I don't really understand this news. Am I retarded or does this not really make sense? But maybe the convertible senior notes is whatever. Seems like it didn't really react in any kind of meaningful way. So let's drop. Sometimes when there's an offering, I mean, usually I'll mark the offering because if it gets bought up or if it doesn't react to the offering, I want to see that. That's a good sign. Oh, got it. Oh, really? So that was the offering drop, and then, or yeah, yesterday here, I assume. Or wait, okay, I see. Well, yeah, I think you can just ignore it. Just trade the range. Anyway, Riot, I think this is not as good. Uh, Same with Mara. The thing is though, so these used to be like the only liquid miners were Mara and Riot, right? Which is why when Bitcoin is bottoming out, I traded them in January 23 and all of last year. But now there's a lot more that are liquid, right? Like this is now more liquid than Riot. So you got more options. Like a lot of things are stronger. I would just trade Wolf. This is the only one I see something in right now. Everything else I don't really like. Does Jivo do anything? This might set up too. But yeah, this one is actually quite good. I promote it again actually. I'll re-promote it. Does this do anything? On Rocket Lab? Wait, who are you? Are you CTAP? I forget who people are. I know Fungus because you have the same name, and E0 because it's the same thing. But yeah, dude, my picks are fire. Damn, this Affirm is looking like dog shit. Maybe I should demote it. Are these dead? No, not quite. Okay. Yeah, yeah, it's a good thing. It just some more time would be good. Take out the premature longs. But you could have gotten a starter today, I guess, but whatever. It's like I'm so glad this trade is going to work out now. So glad. Hopefully, it can run for like 2, 3 days at least. Before people are like, oh, this company doesn't actually make any money. Yeah, later, man. Oh yeah, I know who you are too. I remember you on stream. You have the same. I mean, on Discord. You have the same name. Let's move all these alerts up. App is yeah, it's fine. Oh man, I love the behavior on this. It's actually pretty nice. The dips are getting bought. People are not willing to chase yet, but the dips are getting bought. Yeah, it's a good thing. Usually I use market orders because most of the time, but because on liquid names it shouldn't really matter. On liquid names I market order some size and it doesn't move. I can't chase this. Well, the space theme has been it's been a thing for like months now. It just hasn't been too much confluence. But I would say that this Virgin Galactic is not really trending, right? It's just getting a couple bids. You can ignore this until it gets like a significant PR, okay? Or maybe earnings, but like clearly space as tourism is much worse of a business model than enterprise space, don't you think? Does alt do anything? I'll try an alert here. Space theme? Yeah. But anyway, this one it's just not as much confluence in the names, right? Like yeah. Oh, I forgot about this move. This made a yeah, J January this made a big move. Oh, dude, this did the classic shitco setup. I love this setup, but it doesn't go much. It usually doesn't go to make a big move. This is like the one day, and then like 2, 3 days, big pullback, and then big reclaim. You gotta buy like here, arguably, and then it sets up like an hourly. Let's see, December 28th. Let's see if we can look at it. Yeah, this is the setup. This is I haven't seen a good one of these in a while, but this is like I'll show you. I went over this before in stream. This, right? GFAI, this setup, okay? You see it? VFS, oops. This setup here, from here, right? Big move, and then pull back this setup here. BFRG did it here, right? Big move. This is they do kind of fail, but sometimes they go. Sometimes they go. Like VFS, you bought the 3 day big move. Oh, you know what? This is trending too, but this is so thin, man. Yeah, don't be afraid to take profits. If you don't want to take too much profit, just take a little bit, dude. Like, what was the news on October 14th? What was the news here? This is a similar kind of setup, actually. Big move, retrace, and then set up here. I didn't take this though, but yeah, I remember watching this from day one. The only thing with exposure to OpenAI and SpaceX. Yeah, I'm not gonna chase this. This was the day. I guess when I was talking shit about it, the first alert was probably the one to buy. This, where was it? 67.67. I had an alert here, right at this high. Oh well. I can't. Oh well. Whatever, dude. Or you could have bought 30-minute highs. But hey, now that it closes like around here or like around 76, if tomorrow it sells off back to 70, 71, you can buy it. That's what I'm gonna do. Like Hood did this, right? Do you see this? The same type of thing. If it does this, you can buy it. It's worth a shot, in my opinion. Joby, no. No, it's fine. This is fine. It's gonna set up. Yeah, exactly. Just a retested level. Nothing complicated about it. Don't overthink shit. See? Like this. You can wait for you don't have to buy the level. You can if you want. You can like what I would do is like I'd start buying a little bit at this level, like just a tiny starter. And then, if it keeps going down, just cut it, right? But 30 minute, wait for it to close, right? And then, see how it does this and then breaks through VWAP. You can buy a little more on this range. Yeah. People don't want to buy Joby up here. They're trying to accumulate at 620-ish, right? Or like as close as they can get. This, I do believe this is a kind of a level, right? Yeah, it is. See, retest here. What was the news on this day? This day got news, right? Whatever, I don't care. Oh, I wonder if Weight Watchers are doing anything. Nope. Good. Just die, 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 die. How do I destroy this alert? Whatever. Look at this Tem. This has been, unfortunate. Nothing going on here now. They have access to Wegovy because that trade is already over. That was the 2023 trade. Was Weight Watchers pivoting their entire market model because they were they bought a what's it called sequence, right? This was the trade back then, and then it was basically oh they don't actually make any money doing this. Yeah. And then this is just yeah, they gotta prove themselves. Um, yeah, you can. Juno, I think he uses a 30-minute a lot. He waits for like a clear trend to develop. Uh, it just depends. It's a very discretionary choice for me, right? I like QS, and I think it seemed like we were in an environment that was heating up. Yeah, because I like the stock, basically. Uh, and then Tesla was going, so I had some, maybe this is the beginning of EVs trying to run again. It's a pretty discretionary decision. It's not over yet though. It's only been an hour of trading. This could still fail. You never know. But yeah, it's working. Um, like EVgo, for example, I ended up chasing this like around sixes. That was my first entry. Right. I didn't really have confidence in this before because it's very illiquid, right? It was like trading like about $10 million volume. Uh, so yeah, it just depends. And I didn't really believe in this PR as much. I don't really use the 5 minute, but I'll wait. I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna take on more risk today. Yeah, SMR looks good. Does look good. Yep. It retested this previous high, right? Now it's forming a range. Why can't nuclear go higher? No one. Okay, yeah, it's pulling back a bit. That's fine. Let's see how we do at VWAP. I think if this loses 642, I'm just gonna cut it actually. I'm not gonna wait till lows. But I don't think it will. I mean, obviously, I don't think it will. Joby, oh, what is he doing? Come on, man. It's looking fine. Okay, 138.46. Yeah, I think this needs a setup. Uh, I'm just gonna hold it. US 634. I bought it twice though. Bought it twice within the first 5 minutes. I'm not sure how to answer that. I'm not sure what you're asking. How do I play them? What do you mean? Like, if there's a trade, I'll trade it. If there's no trade, I'm not going to trade it. If it's something I want in, I'll find a way in. I'll try to find a way in. Otherwise, I'm not going to trade it. Yeah, I mean that just depends. Is like what's the context of the chart, right? Like is it breaking another key level? Is there a trade or not, right? I don't know. It's just not that. It's not really. If I can't use low day, I'll put him. I'll cut it if it looks like it's gonna fail, or I'll reduce. If you want a good example, go back like 2, 3 days. I buy starters in ZK, and I buy them like 2 times and EH here, and then I cut them before they hit lows. That's a good example on onto this Monday. Watch Monday's stream. They were going into like these highs here, and then they started failing, and then I was like, well, this isn't really necessarily a good setup, but there's some news, so I cut them. And China wasn't really ready, you know. Yeah, if you have to use hard stops, put it a little bit below low of day, at least, if you have to use hard stops. And I do recommend using hard stops if you're like just if you can't bring yourself to like sell or you don't know how to do that, you should still ultimately use a hard stop. Just try not to do low of day all the time. WTX. Yeah, I mean this is it was on this day. This day was great. 'Cause look at this chart. This chart is like incredible chart. His weekly is fantastic, yeah. So if you do, but today, no, it's not. I don't want to say I don't say it's a good setup today necessarily. But if you want to find a way into the stock like that, just try to find your own way into the stock. That I do understand because I mean that I do think is a good idea because it's coming out of a big base, right? It's clearly trying for stage two. I mean, it looks like it's confirmed stage two. It didn't even violate lows of this day, but I'm not. I don't love this. It's not the most liquid. Actually, $30 million volume. It's not bad. On this day, here, even the 21st. Oh, 624, 624. Here, this day, right? You're talking about this day. Okay, this day, all the miners caught bids. This was a. Oh wait, no, 624. Never mind. I was thinking back here. This day. This day, not real. I don't know. I don't love it. I struggled to find an entry. I didn't trade this at all. I think yeah, no, I don't think so. Oh, June 4th. Sorry, I'm retarded. Uh, yeah, I mean it's a weekly setup, but I don't think I think I might have gotten an alert that day. I didn't trade it though. I did trade this shit back then though, like this setup I did trade. So I've traded similar things. I don't think I traded that one. I traded Hive back here too. Hive, yeah, this is a good one. Or I think I traded this and I cut it right away because it was too thin or something. But I shouldn't have done that. But my account was smaller back then. This is like a while ago. What was the one I traded? This Hut Hive. There's one more that I liked that broke out that day on this type of setup. I don't remember. Yeah, if you don't, then put a hard stop below lows. Don't put it at lows. Just, you know. I mean, obviously, if you can't be at the computer, you got to figure something else out. But like, just put it like maybe 0.5% below lows or a few cents below low a day. Do something. My P&L is going down. Whatever. Joby needs to find more buyers somewhere. Oh yeah, BitF and BTBT. Those are the ones. Yeah. Yeah, I think I traded this one here. Yeah, yeah. This is the one. Bit, this was a BTBT. I don't think I did. I think I did BitF, but they were all valid. This one was the leader for a while. This one, because this broke out before, right? BitF broke out. Yeah, yeah, exactly. BTBT broke out first. This is the one I traded here. So yeah, that type of setup does work. It just I don't think I traded on a wolf. What is this? Don't do this to me, Jovi. Mid-morning pullback. Yeah, yeah, you're right. It looks like Wolf did. I probably set an alert here. Would be good. Yeah, actually, this looks pretty good. You're right. Let's add it. Well, bit F. What's this does look worse, but should I add it anyway? Nah, I'm not gonna add this one. I'll just give an alert. How liquid is BTBT? Yeah, liquid enough, I guess. 30 million. Oh, look, Spy is finding new lows. What's gonna happen, guys? A little spooky. Meh. We'll see. We'll see, dude. I'm not really gonna worry about it until it breaks 6, and then I might cut it for. If it breaks 6, I'm cutting it for. If it breaks 6 and doesn't bounce right away, I'm gonna cut it, yeah, for a loss. What about quantumscape? Does this do anything? Let's put a 642 alert. Found 4%. It's annoying. Well, maybe I should have taken some profits. All right. I need to go to. What time is it? It's 8. Oh no. I have to go buy some liquor at Costco, I think, but they don't open till 9. I talk about this a lot. I size into, I size in and out of things. Sometimes I go bigger size right away. But generally speaking, if it's a market like now, I'm trying not to get too big size on things because I want to save buying power for, or I just don't have that much buying power left to use, right? But there's like certain markets where there's only like a few things going. I'll try to size big on the best ones. I don't think Costco opens till 9, though. Pretty sure. Yeah, Costco's got the best prices on the wines I like. I don't you guys I don't know if you guys drink good wine since most of you are probably broke, but Costco's got the Duckhorn for cheap. A Duckhorn cab is like how much is it again? I just estimate size. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Europeans. Yeah, you got Europeans. Okay, yeah, Europeans in general have a better wine advantage. You guys get good wine for much cheaper. Yeah. But Duckhorn's got their cab goes for like $60 at Costco, I think, and then their Chardonnay goes for like $25, which is an insane deal. The Duckhorn like Chardonnay, like their 2021 Chardonnay, yeah, bitches love that shit. I love that shit, dude. The Malbec, I don't think Costco has it, but I can go to Total Wine for that. Dude, where's my P&L going? What the fuck is going on? My P&L is lower now, even. Okay, whatever. It's fine. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, Californian wine is well, California climate is the closest you get to like Mediterranean climate, right? I mean, it's the only place in North America with a Mediterranean climate, so yeah. But in general, like especially in France, you can get like Just for a few euros, you can get some really good wine. Like 10 to 20 euros, you get a great bottle of wine. Oh yeah, nice. I don't want it though. I feel like I'm gonna wait. Right now, like the selling is like the weakness in SPY. Mm. Like I wonder what happens if SPY breaks lows. I think that there's gonna be some more selling if that happens. My P&L I was up a lot today. Now I'm up a lot less. Willamette Valley? Where the fuck is that? They grow good. They make good wine in Portland and in Oregon, really? This is okay. Are you in Portland? You're in Washington. That's right. I used to I stopped buying like the really nice bottles. Like I used to drink a lot of Camus Cab. Oh, nice. Man, I should go back to Portland. I was thinking about oh what my QS really? Dude, no. Come on, I better find some fucking buyers. I'm so upset right now. Bro, fuck you. Spies breaking lows. Okay. Alright, alright. Here we go, here we go. I need to reduce this. I gotta reduce this. Ugh. I gotta reduce. You know what? No, no. I'll wait for the close of this candle. If it doesn't go to like, unless it just goes straight down. Yeah, I just got a Tesla alert. I don't think this is called I don't think this is quite a bull trap necessarily. It's just some churn. Okay, no, it's fine. It's Joby. Okay. Come on, dude. Really? QS breaking those? Come on, dude. Come on. Stop, 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 stop. Alright, I'll reduce. It is. It is. I'll add more later if I can, but I just reduced a little bit. I don't want to. I don't want to eat a loss. Oh, what is that? Pure Cycle Technologies? Is that the one? That's probably too thin for me, but I remember this. Oh wow, it actually was going. Oh, it's actually more liquid than I thought, you know. Do I have this on a watch list? I have it on 3, yeah. This is the recycling one, I know, right? It's also was a SPAC, I think. Yeah, it was a SPAC. Yeah, it's not bad. I need to watch this like a hawk now. I can't go. I'll go to Costco in like an hour. Dude, I don't even want to ask what the girls want to drink because they're gonna fucking say like high noons or seltzers. I don't want to buy seltzers or high noons. I'll let them buy themselves. I'm gonna buy a bunch of fucking beer and wine. I don't want seltzers taking up room in my fridge. Well, the Chardonnay will be good. I fucking can't stand White Claw, dude. I'm still up. I'm still up like 2% of my account. It's not bad. But I was up like 5% of my account. You know? It was pretty good. That's okay. Dude, sometimes I'll get like DMs randomly about like, oh yeah, I was in this stock and then it stopped me out and then it went again and I lost all my open P&L. What do you do in situations like this? Like, what the fuck? Like, don't ask me this shit questions, dude. What do I do you just fucking you're asking for coping advice? Like, I don't know what to fucking say, dude. Wasting my time. Yeah, you're in the wrong stocks. Oh man, look at this EV go. At least this is strong. Joby, you're fucking killing me. Find buyers at 6, please. Yeah, go like that's what I'm saying. Like, what do you want me to say? Do you like these like asking me how to cope? Learn a fucking coping mechanism. I'm not your fucking therapist, you know? Like, Jesus Christ. Yeah, Joby and QS are killing me right now. I don't. I might just cut him soon. This looks like it's failing.
I reduced by half already. Now it's below my entry, my average. Okay. If it breaks this low, I might just get out. No, not this one, the new low, 625. The SPY bounce. Okay. All right. Okay, okay. I'm not as worried anymore. Yeah, yeah, fair enough. It's more of a minor. Yeah, it's a level two. Yeah. Okay. Dude, fuck you. What is this shit? Alright, fuck it. I'm gonna set a hard stop at 6 for my remaining bit and just let it ride. Okay, why not? Joby, I'll do 590. I'll give it some room. I'll eat the loss if needed. This way I can actually go. I need to do some errands. I gotta go. Gotta go. Hmm. Really now? I don't really like this. Did I get an alert for lows here? Or Am I gonna go jerk off? Is that what you're asking? Not this early in the day. I'm gonna. Are these gonna lose the 20-day, dude? Are you shitting me? Ugh, fucking Christ. No, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go take a shower and go to Costco, I think. But I had to decide what I'm gonna do with these positions. Um, okay, I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait. Oh, Tesla's. Maybe I should have bought a little bit of Tesla. Now I feel silly for not buying Tesla and QS. Cause what the fuck is this bullshit, dude? Like, are you fucking kidding me? Remember what I was saying? It could still fail. I guess it did. All right, I got a hard stop. I'm just gonna not think about it anymore. Later, guys.